Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your boy BioFX here and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I would like to show you guys pretty much how I lost this trade today. Today is the first trading day, today's Monday, but I took this demand, however I lost, which is totally okay. Last week I've been winning a lot of trades. Um, I I think I only lost one trade last week and I only traded 4 days. And out of that 4 days, I only lost one trade, which is actually amazing. So, I mean, I always explain this to persons. Like, if you losing is a part of the game, and I'm just documenting my trades and I'm showing you guys the exact process of what it's like to be a profitable day trader. A lot of persons would think that, oh, if you're profitable, you won't be losing trades, but that's just not the truth. You're going to be losing trades. It's literally a must. All right, so I actually saw this beautiful demand setup today. Reason why I took this trade is because, I mean, the overall market was on an uptrend. I mean, I know it looked like it's on a downtrend here, but if you look on the daily time frame, uh, the market is definitely on an uptrend, right? And if you guys know anything about day trading, you always want to go in the direction of where the market is going. I know, I mean, if you look at here, that's a clear downtrend. But as a scalper, we are focusing on the most recent price action on the daily time frame. So regardless of what's happening down here, as you can see, the direction of the market ended up changing at this particular point here. As you can see, in this section here, which is why you guys, it's so important for you guys to know, to understand market structure, and you guys need to understand how to tell what direction the market is going in. That's the most important thing. And especially if you're a scalper, you need to be reacting to the most recent price action, right? That's what I pretty much think. So if you look at the most recent price action here, um, you'd see that the market was in an uptrend at this particular point here. All right. That's the reason why I decided to take a buy. All right. So saw that the market was in an overall uptrend with the most recent price action went on. So that was a daily time frame. If you guys know, I look for my when I'm looking for the bias, or if I'm looking to if I, when I'm looking to see where should I take a buy or a sell, I go on a daily time frame to see what direction the market is going in. Then I go on my 5 minutes time frame to enter my trade. So my bias that and this is my bias. It really don't matter. This is my understanding of how the market move, and this was basically my bias. I'm pretty much sure at the time when I was taking this buy, there's a million other traders who thought the overall bias of the market was going down. Maybe they would have took sells, but that's the thing, right? For as a trader, for you to win, somebody else have to lose. That's just how the game go. All right, so saw this beautiful demand here, marked up my demand zone. If you guys know how my strategy work, I trade supply and demand. So if I'm looking for a demand, I'm looking for aggressive buying, right? As you can see here, we had aggressive buying coming out of our demand zone, aggressive buying break structure, which is pretty much what we're looking for. So that was pretty much the setup. So all I really did, let me try to so all I really did was just wait for price to. So this was pretty much what I was looking at, right? So this is like literally it. And to me, this is really a beautiful setup because I mean, look at how this one candlestick just shot out of this zone here. That's a clear indication that there was a lot of buyers buying at this certain price here. So that's why I wanted to wait for price to come back to the zone and then try to enter again. Because if a lot of buyers was buying at this specific price here in the past, if price will go back to that particular price, or if the market will go back to that particular area or price where a lot of buyers buy in the past, it's a good chance that if price goes back to that same point, a lot of buyers will buy again. So that's basically my strategy, right? So I look for where buyers buy a lot, or I look for where sellers sell a lot, and wait for price to go back to that same point, and then I try to buy. or sell. In this particular trade, I was trying to buy again. However, as you guys can see, um, I ended up losing the trade pretty much. Took only one trade today. I try my best not to over trade. I take maximum two trades per day. So, yeah, I ended up entering this trade aggressively, which um, I think I already really explained how I enter my trades aggressively. If you guys want to understand, watch my past videos. All I'm going to make a full breakdown videos of a lot of things, man. The truth is, I have a lot of videos to make, but I'm currently so busy, bro. I have a lot of things going on right now. But I'm still trying my best to make time to just post these trades because I know a lot of persons like these videos. So I'm trying my best to stay consistent, but in the future, guys, just be a little bit patient with me. I'm going to be posting a whole bunch of videos, pretty much explaining, most the details, the details that you need to understand to take your day trading journey to the next curve, to the next level. So yeah. So enter this trade aggressively, right? I enter somewhere right here, was aiming for one to one, but as you can see, literally price just break through my zone, which is it's fine. I mean, we're gonna lose trades, we're gonna win trades. So that's really it for this setup here. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, which is Tuesday, take another trade. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. Not trading Wednesday. Thursday. So I'm not trading Wednesday. I'm going to trade Thursday and Friday. I only trade 4 days out of the week. Wednesdays are no-no. I mean, reason being why I don't trade on Wednesday, I'm going to explain that in a future video, not now. But um, that's really it for the video, man. I mean, what's the lesson here? Sometimes there's really no lessons, bro. What is the lesson? Not much, to be honest. You lose trades, it's a part of the game. I'm confident in my strategy. I know I'm going to be profitable by the end of the week. So when it comes on to just losing one trade, bro, I'm not going to sweat it. But that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share. Peace and love. I'm out.